Hey guys, so we're back and we're in Barcelona, and so we came back to the airport because this is where our shuttle is coming from. So we paid for the shuttle with Air to Sea, and so we had to meet at the airport. And the cruise port is about 40 minutes away from the airport, so we just paid for the shuttle, and we came here to meet the shuttle, so that's why we're back here in the airport. They went to get some breakfast or something, so we're waiting. I got a green tag, so we're waiting for them to call Group Green, and we'll leave at about 10:30, and that's about an hour, well, about 40 minutes from now. So yeah, so we're just waiting, and we will eventually get to the good ship. So we'll see you there. Where you at? BK!
It's cruise time.
It's cruise time!
Yes, it is. It's officially time to do it again. 14 days.
Wonder of the sea.
14 days, y'all. We walking on the ship.
We're walking on that ship. We're walking on that ship.
They're not
almost.
making us wait or nothing. I'm surprised.
Yeah. I thought I was going to have to wait till 2.
Yeah. See, they had us at Terminal B. That's Terminal B.
We're walking on a ship. Some trouble.
We're not even waiting.
We already took a photo.
Yep.
Yeehaw, there she goes.
This is it. I thought we were going to have to wait.
Luggage. How did you know? We headed to the ocean.
Yeah, we already over here.
It's well worth it. Can we go this way? Yeah, looks like this way.
Looked at that negative sheet. It should have been 3 days.
She looked at. She said the 28.
You sound much better than we.
It's cruise time, dog.
Yeah, I know. For the last couple cruises, right? She get into this little slump. I think she's stressing too much. The last couple cruises, she get into that little slump.
We walking on the gangplank. We walking on the gangplank.
In Spain.
We in Spain.
Plus we had a whole day of sleep almost.
Yeah, I slept 24 hours. I slept it off.
We stayed up 24 hours, slept 24 hours.
Good. We went to another day. You slept 48 hours.
Oof. And then I gained up 1 hour at least. We walking on the gangplank.
We at it again.
It's here. Oh, they celebrate my birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yay.
Player, ain't the game. All right, let's hit these muster stations. Thank you.
What's mine? Woo, we made it on the ship. He got mine.
This message is to inform you that your staterooms are ready for you. Your staterooms
Staterooms
On your way
already.
to your stateroom, please remember to pass by your muster station.
We don't have to go too far.
Safety breathing procedure.
Yeah. I like this
You can
color.
find
Compass
your
game.
station on the Royal app on the back of your stateroom door and in large print on your CPass card. Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you. And I do plan to have a great day.
Yay!
Yay. Oh, I like this room.
Yes, it's a lot more brighter than what we used
It's a lot brighter. We don't have no lounge chairs.
to. Here's the water.
You got a foot thing. Of course, I'm going to give you a room tour here of this good room. We are in cabin 8248, and that is in the middle of the ship on the port side, and this is a junior suite. So I'll give you a quick tour right now. I can tell you I like it. I like the ambiance. I like the decor. Everything is light, bright, and so different than what we've previously been sailing on. But we are still on the good ship. Nothing to complain about here. So let me turn this around and let you see. So this is the view when you first walk in. And there's a full-size mirror here, which can never have too many mirrors. And then look at the bathroom. It is so bright, so bright. I love it. Reminds me of home. And yeah, I'm loving it. Again, it's brand new, so, you know, everything is shiny and sparkly, which is perfect. They'll still give you the shelves and things right here. And nice sink. Yeah, some kind of quartz sink, but it's nice. Still got your shelves on that side. And it's sparkly. I love sparkles. And this is the walk-in closet. And that's typical for your junior suites. So yeah. And they give you some robes here too, so just for your stay. There's some hangers there for you. And then it has these things that let down, so you can hang like half folded, half hanging items like skirts or pants or whatever. Use it for what you'd like. Then it has this thing here. And that reminds me of the one on the Harmony. It's like that as well. Give you the 2 drawers at the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cubbies there. And your safe to put your personal items and valuables to keep them safe. And then we have 5 drawers here. Fairly deep drawers. It's painted yellow. Didn't see that before. All right. And let's see, what is this? Okay, this is our little fridge. Let me zoom out some so you can see. This is the little cooler fridge. Well, kind of got a little chill in there, so we're gonna put some waters in there. And they have your little brewing thing there, but we never use that. And we have waters. So when you order waters on the website, that's what you'll get. And they are 330 milliliters, but you know me, I don't know how many ounces that is. It is what it is. Nice, beautiful, round mirror, like a lot different. Let me see. Does it come on? Let's see what we do. All right, it has light up. And that's the desk with the chair. And that's that. The television is, wow, that's a lot bigger than what we've ever seen on any ship. And I would guess that's probably about a 45 or 50 inch television. I'm not sure, but yeah, I think it moves. Let's see. Yeah, you can rotate it. See how it can pull out from the wall there? Or you can leave it that way. Whatever floats your boat. And yeah, look at the room. Junior suite, very spacious, carpet. It's carpet, but nonetheless, it's clean right now. It's very clean. And we have a little table here with some more waters. And we have a sofa that doesn't have any stains on it. I can actually sit on here, and it's nice and firm. I don't know if that lets out to a bed, though. Let's see. Nope, that is not a sofa bed. But yeah, got a lamp here, and your regular cruise ship phone. But this has USB and a regular US outlet right there. Yep, king bed. This is the decor on that. It's a kind of leathery, plasticky light thing there. But yeah, that is it for this room. Updated thermostat. Yeah. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. And I look at I'm just looking at the backsplash there on that. So yeah. So that's that. And we're gonna go out on the deck and just kind of see what that looks like. Mister is already on the deck. This is what he's here for. It does give you plenty of light too. I didn't mention that, but you have that floor to ceiling glass panel there, and then this one with the door, and it's pretty much about 2.5 glass panels there. Wow, the deck is large. This is I think this is an extended deck. Is this an extended deck?
Extended balcony.
I mean, extended balcony on the junior suite. But yeah, look how everything is nice and clean. Just like I like it. It is beautiful.
New ship.
I like new. Say hi to the people.
New ship.
It's a new ship. So yeah, again, we are in Barcelona, Spain. And that's just the view from here. And it kind of puts you in the mind of when we were in Los Angeles. Kind of give you that same vibe with the mountains and the houses up in the mountain, kind of like thingy. But yeah, we on the good ship. We on the good ship. We on the good ship. So yeah, well that's it for this. And we have Kay and Ronald with us today. And so they'll be on this 14-night transatlantic on the Wonder of the Seas with us. And in the meantime, and in between time, we're going to see around this good, nice, clean, new ship. Yes, see around the ship.